initially it might be difficult to remember where different commands were located on the in the user interface. So COMOSYS allows you to access a complete list of all the commands by pressing the F3 key. So I'm pressing the F3 key now, and when you do that, this little window opens up. And over here, if you see, this is a complete listing of all the commands which we have in COMOSYS. So you can find those. So for example, if we're looking for some splice command, I would just write splice over here, and I would see the various splice commands which we have in COMOSYS. Or if I were to just say bolt, then anything related to bolts, I would get my list of commands over there and maybe find the one I'm looking for. If I wanted to say weld, I could find some weld related commands over here. So, or if I was looking for a particular macro, for example, say end plate macro, then I could just search it out and find it over there in the list. So this is a convenient way of finding commands when you lose it in the user interface, and all you need to do is press F3 and this tool will come up. What you can also do over here is select any command, for example, and if you say change the shortcut, what you can do is you can assign a shortcut to it, and this shortcut can be anything. It can be, doesn't have to be a single letter, or it can be multiple. So you can call it AS, or you can call it GT, or you can call it ABC, or you can even say, you can't just put a space. That's the only limitation, but otherwise you can write anything you want. But obviously you would prefer a short shortcut. So you can write anything which you want over there, and once you do that, that shortcut gets assigned to that command, and then you can access it later by pressing the space bar. If you press the space bar, then it'll allow you to enter the shortcut, and then you will get to that command.